जो क्रिकेटर्स है व्हाटएवर, आपकी उनसे भी दोस्ती रही है?
ये सच है कि मैं उन दोनों को जानती हूँ, लेकिन ये सच
युवराज एंड
डेफिनेटली
Deepika Padukone's relationship timeline suggests that she dated MS Dhoni, Yuvraj Singh, Siddharth Malya and Ranbir Kapoor amongst others before getting married to Ranveer Singh in 2018. Back in early 2000s when Deepika Padukone was a model and not yet an actor, she dated Muzammil Ibrahim, a fellow model. While the reason for their breakup is unknown, rumors say that Muzammil was offered a role in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, but he declined the offer because Deepika was part of the movie.
Just felt that, I probably shouldn't do that right now, but I definitely want to work with them in future with the team.
Deepika's first proper relationship in Mumbai was in 2005 with Nihar Pandya. They were together for 3 years and were also in a live-in relationship but eventually broke up in 2008. The most shocking Deepika Padukone relationship was with MS Dhoni, who even publicly confessed to having a crush on her. Shah Rukh Khan also teased Dhoni about Deepika once during an event. Deepika, Dhoni and Yuvraj Singh were involved in a love triangle with both cricketers interested in DP, but Dhoni eventually distanced himself from her to keep his friendship with UV.
मेरे साथ हीरोइन एक हैं दीपिका, शायद तुम उनको जानते नहीं होगे।
यूवी जानता है?
हाँ, यूवी तो जानता है। यूवी की तो बहन है। बट तुम जैसे मैंने कहा तुमको तो मालूम नहीं होगा कौन है वो, लेकिन पता क्या हुआ, मेरे साथ तो फिल्म में गाना कर रही थी कभी आंखों में तेरी, तो हम गाना शुरू करते थे और वो सडनली वर्ड्स चेंज कर देती थी, दूसरी फिल्म का गाना गाने लगती थी, माही वे।
Deepika and Yuvraj Singh also dated briefly but later broke up, and UV said this in an interview. We liked each other and wanted to know more. We did not spend enough time with each other to know if it was going to be long-term thing. As things turned out, she moved on and so did I.
जो क्रिकेटर्स है व्हाटएवर, आपकी उनसे भी दोस्ती रही है?
ये सच है कि मैं उन दोनों को जानती हूँ, लेकिन ये सच
युवराज एंड
डेफिनेटली लेकिन आई थिंक मीडिया जस्ट ब्लू इट आउट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शन। आई थिंक किसी को जानना गलत बात नहीं है,
दोस्ती रखना गलत बात नहीं है।
करेक्ट। और अगर आप किसी के साथ डिनर पे जाते हो या बाहर जाते हो, इसका मतलब नहीं है कि आप
अफेयर हो।
एग्जैक्टली।
Moving on to Deepika's more talked about relationship with Siddharth Malya, their love story began in 2008 with a passionate kiss during an IPL match that broke the internet, but their romance took an ugly turn when both Deepika and Siddharth bashed each other publicly. During an interview, DP talked about an embarrassing dinner bill situation where Siddharth had asked her to pay. Siddharth Malya also did not hold back from dissing Deepika, blaming class and status for their breakup. Recently, Bollywood journalist Simi talked about Deepika and Siddharth's relationship, and this is what she said.
यूट्यूबर बोल रहा था कि उन्होंने ना किंगफिशर को प्रमोट करने के लिए और सिद्धार्थ माल्या जो विजय माल्या के बेटे हैं उनको प्रमोट करने के लिए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन किया था और पैसे लिए थे, तो इसलिए वो रूमर फैला रही थी कि वो सिद्धार्थ माल्या के साथ है और वो पैसे लिए उन्होंने, तो उतनी देरी उनके साथ रिलेशनशिप। मैं आपको 100% गारंटी देती हूँ, ये बात झूठ है, उनके साथ रिलेशनशिप था। मैं मेरे हस्बैंड के साथ वो नाइट क्लब में थी और सिद्धार्थ माल्या ने मुझे अपना फोन दिया, तो मैंने मेरे हस्बैंड को दिया और मैंने बोला मेरा नंबर एंटर कर दो बिकॉज सिड माल्या वांट्स माय नंबर। तो उन्होंने मेरा जब नंबर एंटर करने गए तो सिद्धार्थ का स्क्रीन सेवर दीपिका और सिड माल्या की पिक्चर का था। अगर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता तो वो ये नहीं करता। फिर उसके बाद एक बार वो थाईलैंड गए थे अपने कॉमन फ्रेंड की शादी पर, जहां पे सिद्धार्थ ने उनके ऊपर बड़ी बुरी तरह चिल्लाया, वो अपने रूम में चुपचाप चली गई। शी इज सच अ पेशेंट गर्लफ्रेंड। तो वो वेरी मच एक रोमांटिक कपल थे वेयर सिड गॉट लिटिल रफ विद हर and she could not take it anymore. वो बहुत patient लड़की है when she's in a relationship.
Finally, Deepika's most talked about relationship and one of Bollywood's most iconic breakup was hers with Ranbir Kapoor. It was the most significant relationship in Deepika's dating history before she met current husband Ranveer Singh. Ranbir and Deepika started dating in 2008 while filming for Bachna Hai Hasino. Deepika was madly in love with Ranbir and even got a tattoo of his name on the back of her neck. They dated for 2 years before breaking up because apparently Ranbir cheated on Deepika with Katrina Kaif. After their breakup, Ranbir and Deepika continued to remain friends, but Deepika still occasionally threw shade on Ranbir in public, the most controversial statements being the ones she said on Coffee with Karan during her episode with Sonam Kapoor.
नहीं, हम अभी भी मिलते हैं, if we meet at a social event or at somebody's house, हमारे बीच में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. There is lot of care that I have for her and I'm sure she also feels that for me. And we are in a place कि we have you know, she's moved on, I have moved on.
Yes.
You know, we can be friends. We've had a beautiful relationship which lasted for more than a year and a half.
Ranbir still continued to talk positively about Deepika after their breakup, and eventually Deepika also matured. They even worked together in multiple films post-breakup, including Ye Jawani Hai Diwani and Tamasha. Deepika and Ranbir are good friends now and even hang out as a group with their respective partners. And finally, Deepika met Ranveer when they started working on the movie Ram Leela. DP and Ranveer started dating in 2012 and Ranveer proposed in 2015, after which they were secretly engaged till 2018 when they finally got married. Recently on Coffee with Karan, Deepika revealed Ranveer and her were seeing other people during the initial phase of their relationship. This caused a lot of controversy and made people curious about Deepika's relationship history. Now that you have a list of Deepika's ex-boyfriends, which relationship revelation was the most shocking? Thank you for watching Spill the Tea. We promise to always keep the tea piping hot. Subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on so that you never miss out on any video.